Hi, in this video we are going to make a CRUD operation to, to store our data in the database with Ruby on Rails. To do this, let's go to the internet. You need to have Rails installed. Also need you also need to have Ruby installed. Mm, this Ruby on Rails. You can install with this. You can install this framework with this page, your installer. You go there and download for Windows or for Macintosh, depending on what system do you have. I will open a terminal. I will make it bigger so we can see it. Raise minus B version. I have 5.1.4 version of Rails, Ruby version, and I have the 2.3, the version 2.3 of Ruby. Okay, with this Control L, Command L in Macintosh, Control L, and we can clear we can clear the screen. In this moment, let's go to something different. Uh, to create the project, this is the command raise new. Um, Excuse me a moment. Ls cd documents. I'm going to create this in document. You can create the project wherever you want. But I am going to create here. I have something here. Control L. I'm going to create the project in this mkdir mkdir kdir um, store one. I'm going to enter that folder. I'm going to create the project. Rails. This is the project. This is the beginning of the tutorial. So sort of saying that there is new store. I'm going to make a simple web page where Rails is generating all the project. Okay, let's open Control L. You can use item, Sublime, Code, Visual Code Studio, but in this case I'm going to use Atom. That I'm going to open the project. In this case, you can see that the project uh, there we have all the folders necessary to work with Rails. I'm going to close these messages, these tabs, and this is the project we are going to work in. Control I'm going to create the basic structure of the project with a command. This is the command regenerate resource. I'm going to create the table in the database named product. I'm going to give it a name to this table. Name is going to be a string. Description is going to be a text, and price is going to be a number. A price, a number. Okay, let's run this command in the terminal. Okay, is I have an error. I'm going to check what happened. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake. I need to enter the project. I am inside the project and I'm going to run again the command. Okay, let's run the command again and it will create a basic structure with some files like create products reserve, a controller, a product controller, and some other resources. Okay, a model, product, product RB, create, val. Okay, Control L to create the screen, and I'm going to make the project inside here. The most important are controllers. We can see the product controller. Then go to the model. The model is product, a class name product. This command created a folder named products. And the database created a migration. We need to run another command, a migration, to create the database, to create the structure, the basic structure of the database. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happened. Well, okay. Okay. I made a mistake here. When I made this structure, I need to check this, and it's not number, it's integer. Okay, save, and let's run the migration again. It's integer, not number. Okay, that was a mistake, excuse me. It's integer. Number doesn't exist in the database that is using SQLite in this case. So let's do it. Let's work in the project. We need a view called called index. We are going to list all the products. Okay. We can see that rows generates all the configuration by default. We are going to touch it because this handles all the requests that the routes, that the project, that the view and the model make to the to the to the to these routes. This is the advantage of using this because it's more easy and you need don't need to manually implement those methods here. Okay, let's work in the controller. I'm going to define a method name index. I'm going to make an instant variable name products. I'm going to call the class product dot all. I can, in this case, I'm invoking or I'm calling the class that is right here, product. Okay, and in this case, I'm going to work in this place and make the list of the products. I'm going to make an H1 products list and make a table. Okay, inside the table I'm going to define a th head. Okay, th head. And inside here I'm going to define th. I'm going to make this 3 times in the table. I'm going to call this name, product name, product description in the table, and product price. Okay, right here I'm going to define a th body, t-body. I made a mistake. I'm going to define here a tier, a row, and a file. Let's do the following. This is only HTML. This is basic HTML. Let's say I'm going to make Ruby in this place. Call the method. I'm going to call the instant variable products that each do make a variable product and close the sentence. The sentence is going to close with an end. This end corresponds to this definition here. Here we are going to print out our products that are saved in the database. Product that name. Close it and print it. Okay, let's do this 3 times. Product name, product description, and product price. Save it. We are going to print out these variables. Okay, let's make this. Save. Teach head. Okay, it's okay, and close it. Rows is okay. Product, and in here, let's do this. Let's work. Let's see if the project is working. I'm going to do the following. I'm going to open another command new n, command plus, and I'm going to go there. Okay, I'm going to go here to go to the store, and I'm right here. I am the project. Command Control L. I'm going to open or to execute the project with raise S or raise serve. Let's do this. Raise serve. Okay. Okay. Raise server. Let's run the server in localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. Let's go here. We are here and go to products. Okay. Let's insert a product in our database. Okay. Let's go here. And let's do the following. Raise console. Let's create a product. I'm going to create a product inside the console. Create name Coca-Cola. description. Beverage. Okay, let's put something there. Price 3 3 3 40. Okay. Let's run this. I'm going to copy this to make another product. Okay, insert product. Let's do this again. 50 natural juice. Let's do the following. Another example. Orange juice. Run this and product all. And we can see that we have two products in our database. Product 1, Coca-Cola. Product 2, orange juice. Let's exit and we are in the console again. Refresh and we can see that our product name and the price is in the table and is showing the product fine. Let's do the others dev other methods show add product equal product that find params ID. Okay, parentheses, and we have this configure. Let's do the another one that is going to create the product. Dev create. Dev new. We are going to make another view to show the form to create a new product. An instance variable product that new. Save, and we are going to create in the products folder another file called new.html.erb. Okay, and in here we are going to create a form. Let's do it. Show the form and raise helper called form4. Let's call the instance variable and do variable called f. Okay, let's do some divs to create the form, and inside here we are going to make the following: f.label name. Okay, and inside here f.text field name. This is going to create the form for us. Okay, and now let's copy and paste. Let's finish end to the form. This is necessary. This end corresponds to this form. Okay, here let's change this description. Here is text area description. This description is the same name of the database variables. Label price price, and number. We are going to have a number there. Okay, and in here we are going to make a button. Submit. Okay, this is our form. Let's call this form. We have this product new. Let's call this. Let's go to our index and make a link. Let's call a helper. I'm going to show you the helper. Show the helper, link to, create product, comma, let's do this. Raise roads. Raise roads is going to show you the roads. A new product is called new product. Okay, new product path. Okay, let's call this form and go to that form. Refresh, create. Okay, it's not showing anything. Let's see why. Okay, I made a mistake. I need to put equal to show the values, or they're not going to show in the view, in the browser. Okay, I'm going to save this and go and refresh the page. Okay, I can write in here and it's going to show an error because we haven't defined the create, and I'm going to do that in this moment. Def create, the create method. Okay, I'm going to call product equals product dot new and call product params. Let's define this method. This is for security. Product params, and it's going to be private. All this is made because of security inside the application. Let's call the Rails Groovy variable params that permit, method permit, method require. And in here, product, and here name, description, the same names of the database. Let's see here, product, and price. Okay, and in here I'm going to say if add product that save redirect to product path, else render new, render the same view, the same view, end the if and save. Okay, products path. Let's go here, products path. Okay, the index. Let's see that is this method, this name prefix is called here prefix. We are going to call this products path in here. Okay, let's do this. Let's prove that if the if it's it is working. Okay. Unexpected dot unexpected error here. Okay. Okay, that's the error. I put an extra symbol. Okay. Name. Mm, Pepsi. Beverage. Pepsi. Price 20. Okay. Okay. Give me a moment. Name given 3 expected 1. Showing a error. Let's see here. Okay. Here. Person. Okay. Let's see the syntax. Name, description, and price. Name, description, and price. Okay. Let's see the syntax. Params that require. Okay, I made a mistake here. First is require and permit. I made a mistake there. Save and we created the project. I made a mistake. First is require product and then permit. Okay, I made a mistake there. Excuse me. And in this case, but I Google this and and saw the mistake here and correct it. Okay, let's create another product. An example. Create project. Create A1. It's only an example, okay? Require permit. I made a mistake, but create. Okay, Command S, and we need to. In this case, we need to make and edit page. To edit the page, def edit. Edit. This is necessary to edit the page. I'm going to call product that product equals product that find, and I'm going to call parents ID. Okay. Fine. I'm going to edit a product. Parents ID. I need to call this ID. Command S, and I'm going to call this in this. Let's do this. Let's create a link to edit. Let's see this console. Edit product path. Okay. Edit product path. Okay. And a variable product. Okay. Let's create in the views and an edit view. Let's create it, new file, edit .html .erb, and copy and paste this form. Command A, Command C, and Command B. It's almost the same form. Okay. And I'm going to show that product. Okay, it's okay here, and let's prove it. And Coca-Cola example. Update. I need to create that method. Def update. I'm going to call add product equals product that, in this case I'm going to call edit. Okay, I'm going to edit the product. In order to do that, I will need to edit the product. Okay, I need to find and call all the params and call the product params. Okay, call this the same method to be secure, and I'm going to call that information to update the product. Okay, and if add product that save that update product, if this is true, redirect to products path. Okay, to the index, to product path, else render the same view, edit, to edit the product. Okay, I'm going to show that, and let's prove this. In the controller I made the method and product. Okay, let's prove it. Okay, confine product connect with ID name. Okay, 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 let's call this, because I need to call the the ID of the product we want to change. Okay, okay, update, call this. Okay, we need to call first the parents ID, and then in the update call the product parents to update the products. Okay, let's call this, for example, is this just an example update, and we can see that the product updated successfully. Okay, the last method we need is delete. Let's do it. Def destroy def method def destroy. Okay, we need to call this and call add product equals product that find parents ID excuse me, ID, and when we call the product find, let's call it then add product that destroy method, and then redirect to products path to the index again. Okay, and we need to add that link to the index. Okay, let's do the Ruby syntax to show inside an HTML link to delete. Let's see the rows delete. Okay, and here product, delete the product method, delete, that data, the data we are going to send. Okay, confirm. Are you sure you want to delete this product? This is the message we are going to show to the user. Okay, and save and prove it. Let's go to to here, and we can see why. Okay, let's see what was my mistake. I think that's the syntax. Okay, delete, delete, and I need. Okay. The create product is better if we put this link right here. It's better organizing that matter, and it's showing better. The other place wasn't good, but let's do this. Create, edit, delete. Let's create test, test, test. Create product. We created the test product. Edit, banana. And we created banana, updated and deleted. Okay, we can see that the CRUD is complete. Maybe we need something else. We only need to go to bootstrap bootstrap and make the application better, or go here to Ruby Gems and install and configure the bootstrap gem. You can download here, go to this guide, and the documentation is going to show you how to install this gem, and so you can make this application to look better and nicer. That's the example I wanted to show you. I made some mistakes, but the example is complete, and you can create, delete, update, and list the products. This is a complete example of a CRUD operation in a system, or it's a sample very important because you always need to create, delete, update, and make operations with the database. That's it. Thanks a lot for listening to me, and see you later.